Welcome to the heart of Bedford Stuyvesant, where Malcolm X Boulevard meets Lafayette Avenue. From this corner, you're standing in one of Brooklyn's most culturally significant neighborhoods, where historic brownstones, tree-lined streets, independent businesses, and a vibrant art scene come together to create an unmistakable sense of place. Head north along Malcolm X Boulevard, and you'll discover a lively collection of neighborhood cafes, bakeries, restaurants, bookstores, wellness studios, and locally owned boutiques that reflect the community's creative spirit. Just a few blocks away, Herbert von King Park serves as a neighborhood gathering place with walking paths, open lawns, athletic courts, a dog run, live music performances, outdoor fitness programs, and cultural events throughout the year. Travel south, and the neighborhood transitions into quiet residential streets lined with beautifully preserved 19th century brownstones and community gardens. The area's architecture tells the story of Brooklyn's rich history, while new cafes, specialty shops, and neighborhood markets continue to breathe fresh energy into every block. Walk west toward Bedford Avenue, and you'll find one of Bedford Stuyvesant's busiest commercial corridors. The streets are filled with restaurants offering global cuisine, artisan coffee shops, cocktail lounges, fitness centers, galleries, music venues, and neighborhood services, making this a favorite destination from morning through late evening. Head east toward Stuyvesant Avenue, and the neighborhood becomes even more residential, while maintaining easy access to shopping, neighborhood eateries, playgrounds, schools, and local conveniences. Every few blocks offers another opportunity to discover independently operated cafes, bakeries, specialty food shops, and neighborhood gathering spaces. Outdoor enthusiasts are only a short walk from Kosciuszko Pool during the summer months, while nearby playgrounds, recreation centers, and community gardens provide year-round opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. Commuting throughout New York City is remarkably convenient. Within approximately a half-mile, you'll find the Myrtle Willoughby Avenue station serving the G train, the Kosciuszko Street station on the J line, the Bedford Nostrand Avenue station serving the G train, and the Nostrand Avenue station with A and C express service nearby. Multiple bus routes, including the B26, B38, B43, B46, and B52, make getting around Brooklyn and connecting to Manhattan simple and efficient. Whether you're grabbing your morning coffee from a neighborhood cafe, spending an afternoon relaxing in the park, exploring historic blocks filled with classic Brooklyn architecture, enjoying live entertainment, or discovering one of the area's many celebrated restaurants and independent shops, this section of Bedford Stuyvesant offers an authentic Brooklyn experience where history, culture, entrepreneurship, and community all meet within an easy walk of home.